front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. Now you need to scroll one more time, this time to click on one-handed mode. Use gray switcher to activate it, and unfortunately, if you are using TrueKey's navigation, one-handed mode won't be accessible to you. To use it, you need to switch to gestures. Once you do, click on the switcher and follow all of the instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!